How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, here you are. I was just keep randomly searching out and I find you. Thank you so much.
Oh, really? Where
Yeah,
are you from?
I'm
How much time you use this app?
well, I'm from Bangladesh and I have been using this application for 1 year.
You earn from here?
Oh, I'm not really getting paid from this application. Particularly, I'm learning English. That's why I'm trying to use this application. Okay?
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
The conversation.
You're learning English.
Yeah. The conversation helps really so much to improve English speaking skills.
Yeah, of course.
So, where are you from and which part of area you are living?
I live in India.
Oh.
I live in India, Jaipur, Rajasthan. State Rajasthan, city Jaipur.
Oh, okay. So near of the Azmi Sharif over there.
Yeah, near the Ajmer Sharif. Yeah,
Alright.
2 hours.
Yeah. Once I've been to the India back in 2017, and then I wanted to go Azmi Sharif.
Yeah, it's near me.
Well, if I ever go there, so I will try to contact you.
Of course.
Thank you. So do you know Bangladesh?
Yeah, I know Bangladesh.
So what do you know about Bangladeshi or Bangladesh?
I read in the books. It's a part of India.
Oh, just you know that.
1971 in a part destroyed from India that's called Bangladesh.
Yeah.
1971.
Okay, yeah, I understand. But nowadays I just see the news that the seven sisters.
Hindus, man.
My country is a Muslim communities country. It's 92% Muslim here.
Oh,
I have a short question.
yeah.
So, what do you think of the Muslim community as the Hyderabad and the Kashmir and so many different cities where huge number of Muslims are living over there? So, do you have any comments?
I never judge a community. I judge a man. I never say Hindu and Muslim and all. I have some friends. They are good. They belong to a Muslim community. They belong to a Sikh community. They belong to a Punjabi community and all these things. I have no issues. Never.
Yeah, you know what? My best friend in secondary life was a Hindu boy. Okay, but my friend just left Bangladesh back in 2014 maybe. And once he called me, Gazi, I got a problem. Could you come in India? I was really so excited to meet with my friend who lived Bangladesh, and then I went to my friend.
Never matter in religion.
Yeah.
If you cut my hand, then blood is red. If you cut your hand, then blood is red.
All right.
Not a black and all, yellow and all.
Very good example.
And if you match them, then never judge a people that who's the Muslim blood and who's the Hindu blood. Never.
Yeah, okay, I got you.
It's not a big deal.
Thank you. That's the way we should think about anything out. So anyway, what's your name, please? Could you mention? Paditine. Well, so good to talk to you. I'm being really so happy. So thank you.
After some I met you again, okay? Bye-bye.